In the website migration, this is a common issue. The downloading speed and uploading speed is very slow. So this is alex.dev. So I am showing you. So this file is 3.9 GB, so 4 GB file. So when it downloading, so 200 KB or 600 KB or 1 MB or 2 MB. So this is the very slow speed. So downloading 4 GB file, so huge time is wasting. So what is the solution for you? So downloading speed and uploading speed, you can use the RDP. So your server will based on USA, so you take a USA RDP service. So I am buying another RDP. So this is my VPS. So in this RDP, I am using downloading speed. Check here, downloading speed. So downloading speed is super fast speed. So already everything they downloaded. So when I putting another, like I am testing with you, just put. So where is Taslim? This is a Taslim. Just check how much time to download it. So click the download and go to here and check. So within 1 minute it will be completed. I hope within 1 minute it will be completed. So check 12 Mbps or 9 Mbps. So this is the easy system you can migrate. So within 1 minute. So do not need the 60 seconds to download everything. So you can follow the tricks to migrate any website, any downloading speed optimization, and any downloading one folder to another folder. So you can upload in the Google Drive, then you can download from your local. So uploading in the drive and download from our local, download from this is huge time. This 4 GB takes huge time. So downloading from the drive also is speedy or local. So best of luck. You can follow the solution. This is the hidden solution we use for web development projects, the migration of website migration. So thank you, best of luck.